Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, उम्मीद है कि आप ठीक होंगे। आज मैं बात करने लगा हूँ पाकिस्तान अफेयर से रिलेटेड पार्ट 10। क्वेश्चन नंबर 95। लाहौर हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर्स पीआईए पाकिस्तान इंटरनेशनल एयरलाइंस टू includes %% female quota in recruitment of pilots. Option A 5%, option B 10%, option C 15%, option D none of these. The right answer is option B 10%. Question number 96. International Islamic Trade Finance Corporation ITFC give dash $1 billion loan to Pakistan for finance trade activities for 3 years. Option A $2.367 billion, option B $2 billion, option C $3.285 billion, option D none of these. The right answer is option C $3.285 billion. Question number 97. New political party launched in Balochistan named as option A Balochistan National Party, option B Balochistan Awami Party, option C Balochistan People Party, option D none of these. The right answer is option B Balochistan Awami Party. Question number 98. Which province to introduce law to check animal diseases? Option A KPK, option B Sindh, option C Punjab, option D none of these. The right answer is option C Punjab. Question number 99. International Development Association will provide $1 million to Pakistan for meteorological hydrological services under a 5-year project. Option A $200, option B $188, option C $210, option D none of these. The right answer is option B $188. Question number 100. Which bank approved $145 million for housing finance in Pakistan? Option A World Bank, option B Asian Development Bank, option C European Central Bank, option D none of these. Right answer is option A World Bank. Question number 101. Which province started online healthcare facility named as E-Ilaj? Option A Sindh, option B Punjab, option C KPK, option D none of these. The right answer is option C KPK. Question number 102. Pakistan Super League PSL 3 2018 was won by dash team. Option A Islamabad United, option B Peshawar Zalmi, option C Quetta Gladiators, option D none of these. The right answer is option A Islamabad United. Question number 103. Pakistan Super League 3 PSL 3 2018 final match was played at option National Stadium Karachi, option B Jinnah Stadium Sialkot, option C Qaddafi Stadium Lahore, option D none of these. The right answer is option A National Stadium Karachi. Question number 104. Which Deputy Superintendent of Police, DSP, investigation from Pakistan secured first position at the 7th International Women Policing Conference held at Georgia? Option A Anila Naz, option B Shahida Nasreen, option C Shahzadi Gilani, option D none of these. The right answer is option B शहदा नसरीन। थैंक यू गाइस। ये थी पार्ट 10 से रिलेटेड की वीडियो। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो कमेंट्स में कमेंट लाजमी कर दीजिएगा, अपनी राय दे दीजिएगा और वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।